It is on. Hi.
Just hi.
It's that random question again.
Conversation.
Conversation.
Get it right.
It's only the second time recording, so you can expect me. Well, third if I choose to put the other one on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna post on my channel.
And today's conversation is
Going.
acne on my face. I'm kidding. What do you want to say it is?
Oh.
You want to record one, but then you didn't know what to talk about? Are you kidding me? Well, this is on a computer, so hi.
It's a different one.
My computer.
Different one.
Yeah, it's a different computer.
The one we recorded the first one.
First one was my Chromebook. That suckish thing that I'm gonna be stuck with till senior year.
Wait, how'd you get this one?
I bought it.
How much?
$700. But that's because the amount of money I got for my birthday was like $1,000.
Damn.
And that was because like a couple of days after, Chris like gave me $100 bill, and that officially made it 1,000.
How much money you have left? I'm lazy to do math at this.
100 something, 100 and something, 180 I believe.
180.
Mm.
You know what you can do with that money?
What?
Save it.
You right.
You should have saved all that money you got for your birthday. Not for this, for college. Thinking into the future.
Dun dun dun. I don't. What is life?
I don't know. I'm sorry, but I want to go on like cool math right now.
No.
What's this?
What is that thing?
Oh,
that is a thing.
It is a thing.
What is the thing?
Oh, I'm going the backwards. I'm sorry.
No, it's nothing. The sun of feeling. Actually dubbing Yuriana. What? Lil.
Yeah.
Says she's warming up the chicken. So here.
I like chicken.
Chicken is best. Gawk and handsome. Ew, their chins. Ew. I needed to get that.
That ain't handsome. That's the opposite of handsome.
Ding. Oh yeah, I'm not going to watch that for.
And I'm going to fall asleep.
Lovely.
Why does that sound like popcorn?
If I can find my phone, I can find the anime I was watching. Yes, I watch anime. Well, known fact, in case I didn't say anything in my video.
We love anime.
Lovely.
But I'm banned.
Yes, she's banned from watching anime. So, leave what you think about that in the comments below. Oh my god, I feel like I just started a war. Let's call it like a 15-minute point. Unless you just want to randomly stop out of nowhere. It's like, hi everybody, like your favorite, enjoy, subscribe to become no one. Alright, bye. I'm kidding.
But that is actually your outro.
That is actually the outro though.
But it's like,
She said be careful with your head. Oh, but be careful. But I can't speak.
Be careful be careful around microwaves.
Nobunaga.
When you have a lot of hair that likes to go all over the place like static.
You right.
You right.
I didn't hear what you said. Gracias. I don't know what this is.
For the middle children, both get life. No, you cannot join the middle children.
Legs, the most useless part of the body. Ding! Oh my god.
I don't think there even is a useless part of the body.
Kidney. So you
What
can
does
take
your
out
kidney do?
you can take out your kidney and you'll be fine.
What's your kidney
Same
do?
with your tonsils.
What's your kidney do?
I forgot. I just know it's not. I just know you can take it out and you'll be fine.
I completely forgot to change my shirt.
Same with your lungs, because I think that's in my mom's case. She only has one lung.
What?
She does. You didn't know this?
No.
Well, yeah, she has one lung. The more you know.
Agarren cuchara, coman.
I feel like I talked about this. Whoa, I had total deja vu right now. Is that just me? Becky, was that just me?
Oh, mine isn't watery like yours. Mine
¿Dices mayonesa?
is.
You seriously didn't notice what was here until now?
No, like yours is watery. Mine isn't.
And that's a bad thing?
Ya se bebe.
No, mommy loves me. She gave me the good
No
kind.
te
This is
sacando
the
nada
food.
ya de ahí.
That
Mira,
is
deja
lovely.
las medicinas ahí.
It's green.
Eat.
Like veggies.
Eat.
Deja las medicinas ahí.
I'm going to try to make one of these every day, I believe.
Vas a botar las
I can't
medicinas.
believe my father actually put veggies inside of his meatballs, and I had like 5 of them. She hates veg. Hot.
There's something for this. I mean, like, there's these videos where these people eat and they have like a casual conversation with you. I forgot what it was called. Mong. What am I gonna name this video? Random noises and AJ's chinging in the background. It's that. What's your mom doing?
Waiting. I think it's that random conversation.
Limpiando.
I think it was called that random conversation.
Yeah. We're not even sure anymore.
Let's go look it up.
I'm not even.
Oh my god, you're actually going to look it up. Wow. What a video.
Eche, carambas.
And that's my
No,
move
vas
every
a
day.
botar al suelo, vas a
Ooh.
ir recogiendo caras.
What happened?
He just unplugged my computer.
Adrian, go plug in her computer. Why are you subscribed to
Thank
David
you.
Silva?
I actually want to watch that.
What?
Sword Heart Online Hollow Realization first look. Why did I do subscriptions? You're right. Oh my god. Turn on. Allow.
Now go to my channel.
Dang.
No, not my channel. The actual tab that says my channel.
It's that.
Oh my god.
It's that random discussion. There you go. I didn't capitalize the R or the D. Oh my god, I gained a couple of subscribers. It was 14 last I checked.
Yeah,
Frank-
I'm subscribed.
No. Nadia. Oh, that's pretty cool. Who subscribed? Yeah, I know I like. Okay, he's the one who made the difference. 3 days ago. Thank you very much, Zeladin.
Oh, can I see my subscribers?
If I log you in, you can.
If you, I probably know them. I'm eating.
The one Becky's done eating, you can come in here.
I want to add my account, but I might do it after the video.
Mhm.
Cause I don't want anyone looking at my freaking stuff. My email.
Baby.
What are you, a dying bird?
Yes. I have to see how I look during all that. Oh my god, it's nightmare fuel.
Hey, just shush. It's copyrighted. We all look at.
You know what I gotta do? I gotta be like, that random noise in the background. We is eating food. It's that random discussion. Well, food. I mean, with food.
Oh, do me a favor, comment down below your opinion on Trump. Thank you.
Yeah. How much you want to bet we triggered a lot of people?
think most people will say they hate him, but there's always that one person that's gonna say they like him.
Yep.
There's that 99% that hate him, and there's that 1% who I want to watch
Hey,
that
¿qué era
movie.
eso?
I'm serious. I want to watch that movie.
I know you do. By the way, not sponsored. She just really wants to see Trolls.
Why did you click the description again?
I don't know. I'm just scrolling through it. I'm gonna look up. I'm not saying what I'm looking up. Don't you dare read it.
Conversation starters. Oh, this is good. We're trying to have a conversation right now.
Okay.
Let's talk about.
Wanna eat?
So, what should we talk about? No, we're not gonna talk about Gene.
Okay. Time freezes for everyone, but for you, one day. What do you do?
Oh.
Draw mustaches. It's on everybody's face.
Hi.
There.
Hi.
Just say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
What's your favorite show? Such anime.
Kick something hard.
It was probably my bag.
No.
Boom. What's your favorite show? Such anime. Wait, an anime. So, what's your favorite show?
Well, I say for TV show, it's gotta be Beauty and the Beast, which is like a kind of like a detective supernatural show. And I haven't seen any TV in a while, so there's that to blame. And for anime, I don't really have a favorite, but if I do pick a favorite, it's the one, like the second one I've ever seen.
Who's your favorite anime character?
Which is Angel Beast. My favorite. I don't have a favorite in that case.
My favorite TV show, the only TV show I ever watched, Dragon Ladybug, which you watched too.
See? Do you want to? Or the...
Or
it's
rice,
rice
green
with like
stuff, and chicken.
green stuff and chicken.
Comment down below what's your opinion on chicken.
No.
Comment down below if you're. Comment down below if you're a vegetarian.
And one of you gotta come with me to the car to donate all that. No.
Angel, go with it.
I want you now.
I'm gonna stop recording now. Like and favorite if you enjoy, subscribe to become no one. Alright guys, see you later. And comment down below if you understand this. If you understand this reference. Johnny!